Hello to all my friends out there. So veggie day number 1, I made a chicken salad. I made some chicken salad with canned chicken. I keep this in a stockpile. I bought it 99 cents only, or Dollar Tree. Ooh. Mayonnaise. That was from Dollar Tree. Mustard, Smart and Final. Can't stand cheap mustard. And sweet pickles. I got the one, see, with 45% bigger, $4. And capers. Okay. And I started buying the produce at Smart and Final. I find it to be good. They have the big, you know, if you're going to be eating veggies, you got to find some good produce. And so I want to make mention, here is the romaine 99 cents Smart and Final. But I dug around and find the biggest one. And then, you know, it's veggie day, so I have some carrots. So what I want to do is just tomatoes. Get as many veggies in my diet. I don't want to totally cut out everything else. And then I have some dollar olives. I don't want to cut everything else out, but what I just want to do is make the veggies bigger on the veggie days. Smart and Final. I noticed they had like 20 pounds for $4.99. Smart and Final. Okay, so looking good. So I want a little salt. I don't try to curtail salt in, you know. So this is going to be a good little chicken salad. More than enough for 2 people. Okay, on my side, I buy these for $1. I think 99 cents only. Ooh. On my side, Thousand Island. And on Mikey's side, is blue cheese okay? Yeah. Blue cheese. I meant to get ranch, but... Okay, you guys, veggie day number 1, meal number 1. God bless you all.